In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel one item on Temu, ensuring you have control over your shopping experience. So, let's dive right in and walk through the process together, step by step. First, you'll want to grab your phone or open up your computer. Navigate to the Temu app or website. Once there, take a moment to log into your account if you're not already signed in. It's essential to ensure you're logged in because this will give you access to your order details and allow you to make changes as needed. Once you're signed in, you'll head over to the section that lists your recent orders. This is typically labeled as My Orders or something similar. Here, you'll see a full list of your most recent purchases. Take your time to carefully scroll through and locate the specific order that contains the item you wish to cancel. After you've found the order, click on it to view the order details. You'll see all the items listed within that particular order. Look for the item that you no longer wish to keep. Next to each item, there's usually an option that says Cancel Item or Remove Item. Click on this option for the item you want to cancel. It's crucial to check that you're selecting the correct item as this will ensure you don't accidentally remove the wrong product from your order. Once you have clicked the Cancel option, you might be prompted to confirm your decision. Temu might inquire why you're deciding to cancel the item. Be honest, as feedback can be helpful. After confirming the cancellation, you should receive a notification or message indicating that your cancellation request has been submitted successfully. The system will typically update the order to reflect the change, and you can double-check this by looking at your orders list again. It's important to note that the ability to cancel an item can sometimes be time-sensitive. If your order is already in the process of being shipped, the option to cancel may not be available. In such cases, it's advised to reach out to Temu's customer support for further assistance. They can provide more detailed guidance or help you look into alternative options like returns or exchanges. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to cancel an item on Temu. Remember, being familiar with these steps not only helps in managing your purchases more effectively but also ensures you have a seamless online shopping experience. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more such informative content. Until next time, take care and happy shopping.